Good morning everyone, welcome back to Little Snow. Today, I'm taking a peaceful morning train from Strasbourg to Colmar, one of the most beautiful fairy tale towns in France. Before boarding, I grabbed myself a warm coffee. There's something so comforting about starting a solo morning with a hot drink in hand. With my coffee, I walked into the station ready for a relaxing day. The regional train arrived right on time. I found my seat, sat back, and enjoyed the calm atmosphere as the train quietly rolled out of Strasbourg. The countryside opened up quickly, vineyards, wide fields, and little Alsatian villages passing by like a painting. With the morning light and the quiet train, half an hour later, I arrived in Colmar. It's just a short walk from the station into the old town, and the moment you arrive, you immediately feel the fairy tale charm. The old town feels like stepping into a storybook, pastel houses, timber frames, and flowers everywhere. I started my morning by slowly wandering the cobblestone streets with no plan, just enjoying the moment. That's my favorite part of solo travel. I can stop anytime to take photos, explore a cute alley, or simply enjoy the scenery.
Also, ich glaube, alle vier sind also das Maison des Têtes oder ich will nur von dort eine ganz interessante Statue, also von der Narrenheit. Das kommen wir.
As the morning came to an end, I slowly made my way back toward the station. Even the streets outside the old town are charming. Taking the train back to Strasbourg felt like I was leaving a dream behind. Colmar is truly perfect for a peaceful walk. Thanks for joining me on this calm solo trip from Strasbourg to Colmar. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.